As Kia technology continues to evolve, so does driver assist technology. And today, we are going to cover two specific features that may be found on your Kia. Now, the first is called Blind-Spot Collision Warning, and the other is Blind-Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist Rear. Now remember that these systems are not available on all models and they are not a substitute for safe driving. So let's get started. On vehicles equipped with a blind spot warning system, a radar sensor is used to help alert the driver when vehicles are detected in the blind spots. To activate the system, press this button while the engine is running, usually on the left side of the dashboard. You will see an indicator light or a message in the instrument panel confirming the system has been activated. When conditions are satisfied and a vehicle is detected in the blind spot, the warning light will illuminate first. Then, if you activate a turn signal in the same direction, the warning light will start to flash and you will hear this warning. And while we're discussing cameras and blind spots, let's quickly cover the available rear cross traffic collision warning system. Now, this system is only activated when the driver assistance user setting menu option is checked, the vehicle is in reverse, and operating at speeds of less than 10 miles per hour. When backing out of a driveway or parking spots, the sensors are designed to detect certain moving objects outside the driver's field of vision. If an object is detected, the system will sound and show warnings, and the mirror indicators will flash in the same direction in which the object was detected. For more information, visit the Kia Feature video channel, refer to the Car Multimedia System User's Manual, and the Quick Start Guide that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.